By analyzing old data from a dead spacecraft, scientists have found that Saturn's moon Enceladus may be the most promising place beyond Earth to search for life.
NASA's beloved Cassini spacecraft in a fatal dive into Saturn's atmosphere.
Is there life beyond Earth? The search for extraterrestrial beings remains an enigmatic quest with no definitive proof yet. Despite the absence of concrete evidence, the possibility of extraterrestrial life has captivated the human imagination for centuries. While beliefs about aliens vary widely, UFO sightings have piqued global interest, with some even drawing attention from official authorities like the Pentagon. As space exploration ventures forward at an unprecedented pace, the prospects of discovering extraterrestrial life grow. So join us in today's video as we explore remarkable findings, intriguing theories, and compelling evidence courtesy of NASA's endeavors. In the not-so-distant future, prominent astrobiologists suggest that we are on the verge of either discovering compelling evidence for extraterrestrial life or pushing its potential existence to the far reaches of the cosmos, beyond our expanding observational capabilities. The 2030s could potentially hold the answers we seek through a variety of ambitious initiatives dedicated to the search for alien life. One promising source of information could come from the samples collected on Mars, set to return to Earth by then. These samples might contain concrete proof that Mars once hosted life or possibly still does. Meanwhile, spacecraft exploring Jupiter's moon Europa and Saturn's moon Titan will be diligently searching for signs of life, whether in their subsurface oceans or on Titan's unique surface. In addition to these missions, advanced telescopes, both on Earth and in space, will be focused on studying the atmospheres of exoplanets in the habitable zone of nearby stars. Scientists will be looking for any telltale signs of life, such as a mix of gases akin to Earth's own biology-rich atmosphere. On a different note, Robert O. Dean, a former US Army Command Sergeant Major, has shared intriguing insights into alleged alien contact. Drawing on his military background, Dean has provided captivating details about his various interactions between extraterrestrial beings and humanity. His credibility is bolstered by his tenure at NATO headquarters from 1963 to 1967, during which he authored an assessment paper in 1964 that explored the potential consequences of alien presence on Earth. These revelations came to light during the 50th anniversary commemoration of the Roswell incident. Moreover, Dean's presentation at Leeds University shed light on his awareness during his service of not just one but 4 separate extraterrestrial groups. This number had reportedly increased to more than 12 by the time of his retirement. Remarkably, he alluded to the existence of over 100 distinct alien organizations with origins that remain shrouded in mystery. In 1964, one of the 4 prominent alien groups came to attention of military officials. This particular group bore a striking resemblance to humans and displayed the ability to seamlessly blend into society, appearing in various settings like aircraft, restaurants, and theaters. Their presence even raised concerns about potential infiltration into powerful institutions such as SHAPE headquarters and the Pentagon. Military officers reacted with a mix of amusement and apprehension, particularly regarding the possibility of these beings reaching the White House. Major Dean introduced a unique perspective, suggesting that humans shared similarities with these intelligent aliens, hinting at an unexplained connection. Dean also delved into the notion that alien visitations extended beyond interplanetary interactions, involving encounters with beings from interstellar and cosmic realms. This non-human intelligence exhibited characteristics that transcended our traditional understanding of dimensions, exerting control over both matter and time. These aliens were not merely explorers, but had a genuine fascination with humans. Their multi-dimensional nature and mastery over time and matter presented a challenge to classical physics, necessitating the involvement of quantum physics. The collaboration between American and British physicists showcased their commitment to unraveling this enigma. Dean, although not a scientist himself, acknowledged the intricate nature of dimensions, drawing on hints from theoretical physicists regarding the existence of 10 dimensions. His acceptance of this reality was grounded in evidence accumulated over 4 decades, emphasizing that it was not a work of science fiction, but rather an evolving reality poised to profoundly reshape our world. Mr. Dean also captivated audiences at the Barcelona Ecopolitics Summit in 2009, where he presented a series of remarkable photographs that provided unprecedented insights. His account of the Apollo missions and the experiences of astronauts stood out, featuring photographs allegedly taken by Apollo 12 astronauts, which depicted a massive mystery spaceship hundreds of feet in diameter. Mr. Dean passed away in 2018, but his legacy endures, influencing ongoing discussions about the potential involvement of extraterrestrials in shaping human history. We'll return to Mr. Dean's story later, but for now, let's shift our focus to the Voyager missions. NASA launched the Voyager 2 mission from Cape Canaveral, Florida in 1977. This spacecraft took an unprecedented grand tour of our solar system, visiting the gas giants Jupiter and Saturn, followed by historic encounters with the ice giants Uranus and Neptune, as well as their moons. Voyager 2 is currently 12.1 billion miles away from Earth, continuously broadcasting back data concerning the heliopause, which marks the border of our solar system. The continued communication between Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 and NASA's Deep Space Network is still a remarkable achievement, since these spacecrafts continue to send and receive data. Scientists expect these pioneering missions to collect data for at least another 5 to 6 years. The success of this phenomenal mission was made possible by a once-in-a-lifetime planetary alignment. This alignment enabled the Voyager probes to use gravity assist maneuvers to efficiently navigate our solar system. The Voyager probes have yielded numerous discoveries that have captivated planetary scientists. Their amazing photographs and data have forever changed our understanding of the solar system. During its mission, Voyager 2 provided an in-depth study of Saturn's intricate rings and conducted detailed observations of Titan, a moon characterized by a thick Earth-like atmosphere. Additionally, Voyager 2 made a significant discovery by revealing geological activity on the small moon Enceladus. These groundbreaking findings paved the way for future missions, such as the Cassini mission to Saturn, inspired by the Voyager probes. Voyager 1's Titan flyby played a crucial role in the inception of the Huygens probe, which successfully landed on Titan's surface and transmitted captivating videos of its surroundings. Future missions, like Dragonfly, are poised to explore Saturn's moon, Titan, further, with a target date set for 2034. However, the intriguing story surrounding the alleged anomaly near Saturn began to unfold as Bob Dean shared a series of astonishing photos that he claimed were captured during Voyager's mission to Saturn in the 1980s. These images sparked intense debate and fascination, not only among the general public, but also within the scientific and UFO enthusiast communities. According to Bob Dean's revelations, these photos depicted a colossal luminous anomaly, or a potential alien spacecraft located in close proximity to Saturn. He asserted that this massive entity was approximately the size of Earth and appeared to float just beyond Saturn's rings. The proportions of this anomaly were staggering, with estimates suggesting it had a diameter of 2,000 miles and was around 400 miles thick. Dean's theory introduced the idea that giant electromagnetic vehicles might be responsible for the formation of Saturn's rings. These elliptical shifts, purportedly nearly 7,000 miles in length, were said to orbit Saturn within the rings and emit visible exhaust. Dean's observations also led to suggestions of similar ships orbiting other celestial bodies, including the Sun, Jupiter, and Uranus. These extraordinary claims gave rise to speculation about the existence of an advanced civilization, either residing on Saturn or using its surroundings as a strategic base. The anomalous object's appearance, as described by Dean, defied conventional explanations. In different images, it appeared larger than Earth's moon and exhibited a morphing shape, transitioning between circular and cigar-shaped forms. Dean proposed that the object displayed signs of intelligent movement within Saturn's rings and among its moons, further fueling conjecture about its purpose. One of Dean's theories suggested that this colossal UFO might be engaged in mining Saturn's rings for essential resources. While highly speculative, this notion introduced the concept of an exceptionally advanced civilization capable of harnessing the abundant resources of space. And that's not all. Back in 2009, NASA's Cassini spacecraft made a fascinating discovery within Saturn's iconic rings. During Saturn's equinox on August 11, Cassini captured a unique celestial event as sunlight gently swept over the rings. During this moment, a small moonlet cast its shadow on Saturn's B ring, creating a captivating scene in the cosmic theatre. This moonlet, though diminutive, had an impressive 25-mile-long shadow and was estimated to be approximately 1,300 feet wide. Cassini's encounter with Saturn was perfectly timed to coincide with this equinox event, which occurs roughly every 15 Earth years. The Cassini mission was meticulously planned to align with Saturn's equatorial moments, when the Sun illuminates the planet's equator at high noon. This phenomenon causes any three-dimensional object within the plane of the rings to cast an elongated shadow, creating a striking visual contrast against the cosmic backdrop. While some have speculated that these shadows could be attributed to alien spaceships, there is currently no conclusive evidence to support such claims. However, it's worth noting that claims of alien spacecraft near Saturn have piqued interest, particularly due to assertions made by former NASA engineer Dr. Norman Berggren. Dr. Berggren, who worked at NASA's Ames Research Center, has put forward ambitious theories suggesting the presence of UFOs in our solar system and their potential involvement in the formation of planetary rings, including those around Saturn. Berggren's claims are particularly noteworthy because they extend beyond Saturn and encompass other ringed planets like Jupiter and Uranus. This broader perspective suggests the possibility of a more extensive cosmic presence. Berggren's 1986 book, Ringmakers of Saturn, delves into the concept of colossal alien vessels known as ringmakers orbiting Saturn. According to Berggren, some portion of Saturn's rings could have formed due to the actions of these massive spacecraft. It's essential to acknowledge that Berggren's statements aren't recent. He made these assertions about Saturn in 2016. He recalled observing elongated cylindrical objects within the rings that exhibited exhaust systems and other intriguing characteristics. While these ideas challenge conventional beliefs, they encourage us to rethink our understanding of the universe and the potential interactions that might occur beyond our planet. What are your thoughts on this topic? Feel free to share your views in the comments below. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.